Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring and learning alphabets. Yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color, red color. So kids, now we starting coloring. Kids, now we using red color. The alphabet is A. A. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. Kids, the second alphabet is B. B for ball. B for ball. B. B for ball. B for ball. Kids, B for ball. The next alphabet is C. C for cat. C for cat. C. C for cat. C for cat. Now we coloring D. D for dog. D for dog. Kids, now we coloring number of E. Kids, now we using blue color. And we coloring the number of E. E for egg. E for egg. Kids, again we using blue color. F for fan. The number is kids, now we coloring G. G. Now we using black color. G. G for goat. G for goat. H. H for hand. H for hand. Kids, now we using green color. I. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jackfruit. K for kite. Kids, now we again using red color. L for lion. L for lion. Kids, now we using again red color and draw M. M for mango. M for mango. M for mango. M for mango. The second alphabet is N. N for nest. N for nest. Kids, now we coloring alphabet of O. O for ox. O for ox. Again we using yellow color. P. P. P for pen. P for pen. Kids, now we using again blue color and coloring the alphabet of Q. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Again we using blue color. Now we coloring R. The letter of R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Now we coloring S. S. Now we using black color and S for sun. S for sun. S for shark. S for sun. S for shark. Again we using black color. And now we coloring T. T for table. T for table. Kids, second color is green. And now we coloring the alphabet of U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. And now we again using color of green and the alphabet is V. V. V for vanilla. V for vanilla. Now we using white color and the alphabet is W. W for wolf. W for wolf. Kids, again we using white color and now we coloring X. The alphabet is X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Kids, now we using again red color. Y. Now we coloring Y. Y for yolk. Y for yolk. Kids, the last one is Z. Z for zebra. Again we using red color. Zebra. The last one is zebra. The last one is zebra. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon and take care. Bye bye.